This 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Wylie Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Cabinetry-MF interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, air conditioning, stove top burner, water heater, self-contained, leveling jacks, external shower, slide-out, DVD player, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 4081 is built on a Spartan chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.